Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be opening three more packs of the Micro Toy Box Mini Collectibles. These are classic retro toys done in a micro scale. They come in small packs of 5. Aldi are selling these at the moment, so this is a little pack like that. It's like a little toy box, and you get five small items in it. So I picked up some of these, so we'll get right on and do it. I will be getting back to Lego videos soon anyway, so do hang in there please. Right, we'll open the first one. As we know, as you can see, the first toy is Bumblebee from the Transformers. Classic G1 Bumblebee. So we have a classic G1 Bumblebee figure. That is quite nice. I might take him out of the packaging just to see what. He does stand up. As you can see, he is very small. As you can see, there's my finger, but doesn't really move. Just a little mini figurine. Big Autobot symbol on his chest. Very cool. If they did mini Transformers like this, I would probably buy them. If they did them in little packs like this, so that would be quite cool. So please do, Hasbro. So we've got Bumblebee for starters. Well, I've got the rest of this box. And it's got a little plastic covering in there to protect the bottom, protect what's in there. I've seen in some stores people have actually just taken the toy out the top. Here we have, as you see inside, you have 4 of the other packets, and you have a card for the Fisher-Price Chatterphone, which is quite cool. And you have a collector's sheet here, a collector's checklist here with all the toys on it. So I'll be using this as my guide. So we'll open up the first bag. Probably do this with scissors, I think. First bag, we have something rectangular, and it is Pictionary. A mini version of Pictionary, which is quite cool. The next bag we have something round, so possibly something I've got already. Yeah, it's going to be something. So I've got both the round containers. Nice little cut there. And we have the LinconLogs. Nearly didn't have the LinconLogs. Well, I don't remember these, but these must be an American. So next we have a bucket, and it feels like the bucket and shovel, so which would be a bucket and spade in the UK. And yes, it is a bucket and a small little spade attached to it there, so it all stays together, which is another quite nice little mini thing. And this one is a cube. This is, if this is what I think it is, it's a Rubik's Cube, which is apparently rare, but this is the second one I've got, so I'm not sure how rare it is. And it is a Rubik's Cube, yes. A mini Rubik's Cube that doesn't actually move, it's just a little display piece, but it's quite nice. So that's the first box. We'll open up box number 2 now. And we have a Nurf gun on the top. And let's have a look, see what the Nurf gun is. Doesn't actually say. I haven't actually seen a Skeletor or a Barbie, which is what I'm actually looking for. So we've got a Nurf gun on the top, like so, mini Nurf gun. There's a card in here, and the card is the Magic 8 Ball card, like so. Oh, we have another figure here. Might be skeletal, I might get lucky. So first thing we have here is probably a yo-yo. These Duncan yo-yos are quite common. Yes, it's another Duncan yo-yo. They do put rare on these, but I've got about 3 of these already, so I don't think they are very rare. So, and we got another round barrel, so it's either going to be a Tinker Toy or the LinconLogs. Neither of which is actually rare. And more LinconLogs. Or we have a action figure of some kind. Let me see. Oh, I might actually have a rare Skeletor here. So I am kind of hoping. So I've got the He-Man figure already, as you would as I have shown in a previous video. No, it's He-Man. Got another He-Man. Didn't think I'll probably get Skeletor, but we'll put He-Man there. All we have, this is probably be another Pictionary. So yep, I've got another Pictionary. Like so, 2 of those. We'll open up the 3rd pack now. On the top we have a Bumblebee, which is quite cool. And we have a card for Starscream. I can feel another possibly LinconLogs coming out here. This feels slightly different. We have another bucket and shovel in here. Another one of those, put the LinconLogs behind there. Quite possibly another Pictionary here. Yep, we got a 3rd Pictionary game. I'll definitely look and do some swaps with anyone who wants to. So, got another round container here, so it could be anything in the container. We'll have a look. It is some more LinconLogs. These do seem to be quite common. And here we have, not sure what this is, I'm trying to feel it to find out. Apparently the Crocodile Dentist game is quite rare. I do remember that. Right, I'm going to have to open this one to find out what one this is, because I'm not sure. But even feeling the bag isn't really helping. It's one of these Rock'em Sock'em robots, the blue robot from the Rock'em Sock'em robots things. And one of those. Don't think I've got one of those, so I am going to do a checklist at some point on these, so and just go through. So this is what I've got from 3 packs of these at the moment. These are currently still available in Aldi at the moment. Nice bit of free advertising for them. And so some of these things are quite good. Some of these things are not not so good. But being a bit of a toy buff, like a toy collector like I am, I do actually quite like these. So they are quite cool. Like even though you do seem to get lots of doubles with this, and I don't really these are, and it's not really you can't really swap these at all. So, but it is quite fun opening them. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I will maybe get some more packs of these in. So, like I say, do subscribe and keep an eye on my channel. If you have any comments or feedback in this video, do feel free to add them at the end of the video, and I'll try to give you a mention on my upcoming videos. Like I said at the start, I normally do Lego, but I am picking these up at the moment, so I am currently putting these on my channel. So stay safe, and hope to see you on one of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.